SEDA is a hardware and software system designed to control each soldier geolocation in the real time. To control his body vital activity state, which includes the case when he is wounded. The system evaluates critical time to provide medical assistance, analyzes the environment state. SEDA is a smart, efficient complex for indicating damages or injuries. The system was developed to be used by military special teams in real combat and educational training mode. SEDA system is a high-technology uniform data transfer system, system of data analysis and visualization according to the least privilege principle. When the uniform is damaged, it detects the following: the exact localization of injury, penetration distance of the bullet or splinter, soldier's blood loss, and other wound characteristics. Uniform has some sensors that perform medical parameters monitoring in the real-time scale. Cerebration activity, cardiogram, level of blood saturation with oxygen, blood pressure, heart rate, temperature of different body sections. On the interactive touchscreen display of the portable bracelet, the following info is visualized. Necessary information from environmental sensors. Info as for the communication connection state and system integrity state. Personal Computation Module, PCM, performs processing and analysis of data obtained from sensors. It consists of two identical units, the main and the backup one. Each of them is water-resistant, dust-proof and impact-resistant. PCM also obtains data from environmental sensors, pyrosensor, gyrometer location sensors, electronic wind gauge, photosensors, temperature, GPS, hydrometer, chemical analyzers, radiation background analyzers, electronic compass, pyrosensors. Total data obtained from the sensors allows to get complete information as for a battle situation. Data gathered by the system is also stored on backup removable media device. SEDA uniform and its components feature is hermeticity and impact resistance. The system is intended for full availability in different weather conditions: snow, dust, mud, under high humidity and other aggressive environmental factors. SEDA computing environment has hierarchical structure. BCE, Battlefield Computer Environment. It's a complex of stationary computing facilities that don't participate directly in military operation. TCM, Tactical Computation Module, is a computer given to a combat unit commander and medical team. Software and hardware structure of the system connects subsets of primary and tactical computation modules in one network. System administrators can flexibly create and adjust access rights. SEDA technology uses a revolutionary type of communication between soldiers and tactical computation modules that by no means can be detected or neutralized. TCM connection operation range is 1 km, PCM 500 meters. Primary computational modules can relay a signal between them. Each uniform set is designed for individual use. SEDA uniform is a self-learning system and it saves personal physiological characteristics of a soldier in PCM. To teach the uniform, a soldier has to pass series of physical and psychological loads. Recruited soldier's profile allows to analyze changes in his vital parameters in the battlefield conditions. Laser sensor for the uniform set authorization is foreseen in the system. This way will avoid unauthorized usage of somebody else's uniform. What is functionality of SEDA? Processing of data obtained from sensors and analyzers. The system allows to define the following types of damages and injuries with precision up to 2 mm. Bullet wounds, missile wounds, broken limbs, thermal burns by means of positive and negative temperature, cuts, chemical burns, also the following injuries: barotrauma, brain disorders, faint state. Using the system in the real military operation allows to obtain in the real-time reliable data about its passage, about real states and localization of each person participating in the process. In case of injury, the system sensors define precisely localization, type and severity of the wound. A rescue team has data about real state of each soldier, including the critical time to provide medical assistance to the soldier and its location at the battlefield. At that, the system gives to a doctor the whole data about the soldier's wound, including its 3D model. Data shown on the device display is enough for diagnosis and making a tactical decision. When the soldier gets several types of wounds simultaneously, the system is capable to distinguish each of them separately and to give the complete data about each wound. The system has user-friendly flexibility-adjusted interface with not restricted accessibility hierarchy. For example, military commanders can get an access to strategic info about all subdivisions, when operator can have an access to the tactical battlefield info about some specific subdivision. Having at his command all the information on the real-time scale, the subdivision commander obtains the possibility to adjust battle tactics. The system provides recording of all data, which lately allows to reconstruct the whole battlefield situation as a computer model and analyze it. This property of the system will be rather useful also when performing stage drills. SEDA saves lives. It gives you competitive advantages. It lifts the moral and martial spirit of soldiers. It raises chances of success of the military operation.